Dear friends, again, I thank God for this opportunity to share with you my experiences. Today, I would like to share with you my experience of becoming a vegetarian. 6 months ago, in the February of this year, 2021, I shared with you about the 12 things I am doing for the protection of the environment. And I ended that sharing with 2 dreams. That is, to dream of using solar energy from the sun. My second dream was to become a vegetarian. Today I want to share with you that I have taken the first step to be vegetarian. As a good Catholic, every Friday we do not eat meat, but we eat fish and vegetable. But in addition to that now, every Tuesday, I do not eat meat, I do not eat fish, but I eat only vegetable. I eat curry, cabbage, brinjal, tomato, and long beans. Every Tuesday, today is Tuesday, like today, every Tuesday, for lunch and dinner, I eat curry vegetable and rice. For breakfast, of course, I have to take the 2 eggs because doctors advise. And I also take Ensure, a kind of supplement drink, and of course, coffee. Today, I want to share with you that by becoming a vegetarian, it's not only good for the environment, but it's also good for our health. So now I want to share with you my experiences on my health. Every 3 months, I used to go to Kota Kinabalu to have my medical review and my blood test. But because of the COVID-19 pandemic, I did not go to Kota Kinabalu for my medical review for more than 1.5 years. In other words, I missed my medical review 6 times. So I was a bit worried that my medical review and my blood test may not show good results. But to my very surprise, I just went to KK this month, August, for my medical review and blood test. To my very surprise, the results are even better than 1.5 years ago. For example, my cholesterol has gone down, good cholesterol gone up, bad cholesterol gone down, cholesterol as a whole gone down. My blood sugar, diabetes, used to be 6.7 1.5 years ago, 6.7. Now it's only 6.3. And my doctor told me 6.5, between 6.5 to 7 should be okay. And not only that, my red blood cells also increase, white blood cell also increase, iron also increase. My thyroid function is also better. As a whole, my heart, my liver, my lungs, my kidney, they're all okay. So I told my housemate of the good medical result and the blood test, and immediately she responded. She said, "This is because you are a vegetarian once a week." She is the one who cooks the vegetable curry for me. So immediately I got struck, oh, maybe it's true. Maybe it's true. But anyway, I believe it's true. That is to say, vegetarian once a week, of course I have done it for many months already, is good for your health, especially for those who eat a lot of meat. Like the Chinese, every Chinese New Year, they eat a lot of meat, but after that, they have a day they call Sik-Sai, they only eat vegetables. So now, once a week, I eat only vegetable. And I believe it's good for my health. That's why the good medical result. But one more thing I want to share with you. Becoming a vegetarian is not only good for the environment, good for your health, also good for the budget. It's much cheaper to eat vegetable than to eat meat, chicken or fish. A few days ago, we bought 5 brinjal, it costs only 4 ringgit. We bought 13 ladies' finger or okra. It costs us only 2 ringgit, so it's much cheaper. And now it becomes even cheaper. You know why? Because now we plant our own brinjal, our own ladies' finger, our own corn, chili, papaya, spinach, kangkong, etc., etc. So it becomes cheaper. So now, I want to end this sharing with another dream. I dreamed that the Creation Justice Committee of Holy Trinity Tawau Sabah will teach us how to plant vegetables, number 1. Number 2, how to cook vegetarian diet. Number 3, share with us how they have become vegetarians. Thank you for viewing this video. God bless you. Amen.